I'm going to show you how to get a Google AI Pro subscription for an entire year for free, a deal worth $240. It includes the Gemini AI with access to the latest version 3 model, image generation with Nano Banana Pro, and video generation with VEO 3.1. You also get Notebook LM, a service that helps you quickly digest huge stacks of documents and massive amounts of text, providing instant and clear summaries. Plus, you'll get 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage. Turn on your VPN through the USA and go to the Gemini Google Students website. The link will be in the description. Here, you should see free for 1 year. This means your VPN is working perfectly. If you see 1 month instead of 1 year, there might be problems with your VPN. Next, open the second website we need, Batch. The link will also be in the description. Click Get Offer. You'll land on a new page. Here's the important part. You need to carefully copy the button's link, but don't click it yet. Go back to the previous website, paste the link you copied, and complete the CAPTCHAs. The loading will start. It can load for quite a while, and it doesn't always work on the first try. If it fails, you need to go back to the beginning, refresh the pages, get a new link, and paste it here again. You might also get an instant fail. In that case, it's better to create a new Google account. I'm using a new account here. They usually work better. I sped up the loading because it spins for a long time. This time, I got lucky. Success on the first try. Go back to the previous page and now everything is simple. Just follow me and click the buttons. Here, we can see what's included in this subscription. Click Get Student Offer, and here you need to connect a card. I'm connecting my dollar card that I don't really use and it's empty, which I recommend you do too. You can also immediately disable the subscription on this card so it won't charge you after a year. Click subscribe, and that's it. We're all done. Now we have a 1-year subscription to Google's neural networks.